Staff Selection Commission quiz. If x is to y is equal to 3 is to 4, then the value of 4x minus y is to 2x plus 3y is option A 1 is to 3, option B 5 is to 3, option C 4 is to 9, option D 1 is to 2. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option C 4 is to 9. Next question. If x is to y is equal to 3 is to 4 and y is to z is equal to 3 is to 4, then x plus y plus z by 3z is equal to option A 13 by 14, option B 73 by 84, option C 13 by 27, option D 37 by 48. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option D 37 by 48. Next question. If A is to B is equal to 1 by 2 is to 1 by 3, B is to C is equal to 1 by 5 is to 1 by 3, then A plus B is to B plus C is equal to option A 11 is to 12, option B 15 is to 16, option C 17 is to 3, option D 10 is to 21. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option B 15 is to 16. Next question. If x by y is equal to 3 by 4, the ratio of 2x plus 3y and 3y minus 2x is option A 3 is to 1, option B 5 is to 3, option C 4 is to 9, option D 1 is to 2. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option A 3 is to 1. Next question. A and B together have 6,300 rupees. If 5 by 19th of A's amount is equal to 2 by 5th of B's amount, the amount of B is option A 1,250 rupees, option B 3,500 rupees, option C 2,300 rupees, option D 2,500 rupees. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option D 2,500 rupees. Next question. Find the fraction which bears the same ratio to 1 by 27 that 3 by 7 does to 5 by 9. Option A 1 by 25, option B 1 by 35, option C 1 by 45, option D 1 by 30. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option B 1 by 35. Next question. What number should be subtracted from both the terms of the ratio 15:19 in order to make it 3:4? Option A 3, option B 4, option C 5, option D 6. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option A 3. Next question. The sum of two numbers is equal to 20 and their difference is 25. The ratio of the two numbers is option A 1:3, option B 5:3, option C 7:9, option D 1:2. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option C 7:9. Next question. Two numbers are in the ratio of 2:3. If their sum is 125, find the numbers. Option A 22 and 40, option B 45 and 23, option C 35 and 25, option D 50 and 75. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option D 50 and 75. Next question. The ratio of three positive numbers is 2:3:5 and the sum of their squares is 608. The three numbers are option A 10, 15 and 25, option B 8, 12 and 20, option C 2, 3 and 5, option D 4, 6 and 10. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option B 8, 12 and 20. Next question. The product of two positive numbers is 1575 and their ratio is 7:9. Then the greater number is option A 45, option B 54, option C 35, option D 25. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option A 45. Next question. If A and B are in the ratio 4:5 and the difference of their squares is 81, what is the value of A? Option A 21, option B 12, option C 33, option D 20. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option B 12. Next question. If two numbers are in the ratio 2:3 and the ratio becomes 3:4, when 8 is added to both the numbers, then the sum of the two numbers is option A 10, option B 20, option C 30, option D 40. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option D 40. Next question. Two numbers are in the ratio 5:8. If their difference is 48, then the smaller number is option A 40, option B 50, option C 80, option D 60. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option C 80. Next question. Three numbers are in the ratio 5:7:12. If the sum of the first and third numbers is greater than the second number by 50, the sum of the three numbers is option A 120, option B 154, option C 135, option D 125. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option A 120. Next question. Two numbers whose sum is 84 cannot be in the ratio. Option A 1:4, option B 3:2, option C 4:5, option D 2:1. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option B 3:2. Next question. Two numbers are in the ratio 3:5. If 6 is added to each of them, the ratio becomes 2:3. The numbers are option A 18 and 20, option B 81 and 39, option D 18 and 30, option D 15 and 40. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option C 18 and 30. Next question. A box filled with paper bundles weighs 36 kgs. If the weight of the box and paper bundles respectively are in the ratio 3:22, then the weight of the papers in grams is option A 61,680 grams, option B 51,680 grams, option C 31,680 grams, option D 41,880 grams. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option C 31,680 grams.